Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a database of movie and show it neatly on a single page using from browser. This is what it looked like. Let me show you. This is Jellyfin, and this is what these are all my movie here that I downloaded onto the hard drive. As you can see, each one of them has their own rating and format. If I click on one of them, it's going to show like this, and it has a rating that you can read up. It has cast. You click on the cast, you can read it up. If I click on the play button, it's gonna open an external player. This is very important. I don't like the Jellyfin internal player. It doesn't display properly. Doesn't show the 3D properly. So I got to play it with an NPC player. So the way to make it, I'll show you how to make this work. But when you click on it, it's gonna open up external player. So that's what it looked like. Let me go back. And so this whole thing here is called Jellyfin. It's Jellyfin. The version I downloaded is, let's go to dashboard. Is 10.11.2. I think they have the latest one, but this one worked for me, so I downloaded this one. So to make it work, you would have to download certain plugin. These are the plugins that I download. These are the plugins I install to make it work. You got Extra Plus. Some of it I don't really need, but this one is important. Here it shows the rating. Jellyfin Enhance is important. Skin Manager. You can kind of copy here what I install, but you don't have to install everything. And so these are the plugins that you can get from a website. I got it from here, Jellyfin, Awesome Jellyfin. You go there, click on it. And so here's the plugin, all of the plugins that I downloaded. Here's the Jellyfin Enhance. You click on it, it'll give you, tell you what to do. Here how you install it, you kind of copy the JSON file, and then you go back to Jellyfin, and you go to manage repository, and you add, give it a name, and then you can just paste it here and then add. I already have that installed already, so I had it installed already, this one here. So that's how you get it to show it up like this neatly. Let me refresh it to get the rating and everything. So that's what it looked like. Now, where is the movie stored? It's gonna be stored in a hard drive. This is what it looked like. On this one. No, I got it. Well, this is where I store the movie. Um, so when you store the movie on a hard drive, make sure you create a folder called movie, because this is very important to get the poster to show up in the neatly. You have to, because Jellyfin won't read the metadata if you don't create it like this. You have to have a movie for a folder, and then for each movie you have to create a specific folder for each movie, and in the in and then the movie file is inside. But to make it work, you would have to give it a name, because it won't read properly if you don't give it a correct name. So Aquaman, for example, the year, for instance, 2018, 1080p is a 3D, and then .xjs. If it's 4K, it will be like this. The year need to be in parentheses, but it doesn't have to be. It could be like dot 2015 dot 1080p, but it has to be like this for it to read it properly. And also the name of the folder need to be exactly, the name of the file need to be exactly the same as the name of the folder just for it to work. Once you got everything working, this is what you get. It's gonna show like this. Pretty cool, right? So another thing I want to tell you is that to get this external player to work, you would have to once again go to this same website. It's gonna download a MPC player. It's called MPC JF. It's gonna show you step by step how to install it here. Very important to use MPC Map VR player because the 3D will not display properly if I play it using the internal player. Even in BigScreen, it won't. Some of the movie won't load up properly because the sound format is different, or the file, or the video file is different. So using MPC is the best way to play the movie. Okay. Yeah. So if you have any question, just let me know. I'll try to see if I can help you out. So this is what it looked like. I'm using Chrome browser to show everything neatly on a single page. All right, if you have any question, feel free to comment and I'll see if I can help you out. All right, thanks, bye.